What is going on? Pay attention to that rock right in front of me. You can pretty much see it's out of my sight now, and I'm pretty sure I just totally lost track that it was there. This will be important in a moment. Yeah. Alright, we just noticed something funny. We were trying to move the bed step out, and I was like, where in the world is this thing? I can't even see it. And I looked under. I was like, well, that's because half of it's gone now. So we must have hit a rock or something. I mean, we were on some nice trails. So that one's good thing it was the cheaper one off of Amazon. All right, we're back at home base here, and we can see that's where the step sheared off on the rock. Here, thank you Amazon, cheaper than OEM, basically the same thing. We got a new one right here, and we are gonna reinstall it. And we are gonna reinstall it right there. Okay, easy enough. We got those two bolts in, and that's holding the main step assembly there. And then we're just gonna put a cross brace that supports from here to here, and there's a large bolt that goes through there. And from the prior install, I've already got these wires kind of moved out of the way. Honestly, that was the hardest part when I first put this on. So this is super easy. And just like that, 15 minutes later, we're back in business. We got our step back. So what do y'all think? Was the rock that snapped the step off? Do you think I may have accidentally forgotten to tuck it away after using it last? Anything like this happened to you before? Would love to hear in the comments. And check out the full adventure in the camping playlist. And don't forget to throw in a like and subscribe to stay tuned. Safe travels.